In this video, you'll learn how to return an item in eBay by contacting the seller directly. This process is important for resolving any issues you may have with a purchase and ensures clear communication between you and the seller. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you are signed in, use the search bar at the top of the page to find the item you purchased or are considering returning. After locating the item, click on the product listing to open its dedicated page. This page contains detailed information about the item and the seller. Scroll down the product listing page until you reach the seller information section. Here you will find options such as contact seller or ask a question. Selecting this option allows you to initiate direct communication with the seller, which is essential for resolving any issues you may face regarding the item. After clicking on the contact option, a message form will appear. In this form, you will need to select the reason for your inquiry, such as questions about shipping or details about the product. Clearly write your message, ensuring that you explain your question or concern succinctly. If applicable, include order details to provide context, as this will help the seller respond more effectively. Once you have composed your message, send it and patiently wait for the seller's reply. eBay will notify you when the seller responds, which typically occurs within a short time frame. You can check for responses in the eBay message center, where all your communications with the seller will be stored. Throughout your conversation, maintain a polite tone to foster a constructive dialogue. Clear and professional communication not only helps in receiving quicker responses, but also enhances your overall buying experience on eBay. Remember, sellers appreciate clarity and respect in messages, which can lead to more satisfactory resolutions.